Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is Stouchi and it comes with all of this stuff here. I'll show you here. It comes with two of these and this and this. And what it is it gives us the ability to put an Airtag onto my dog's collar or leash or whatever it is. I'm just going to stick it here so it'll be sticking on her belly. And so we're going to set this up and it'll go, I guess, like that. And we'll screw it on, and then first we'll put the AirTag in there, and then we'll screw it onto her little device here. So the way it works here, it looks like we put our AirTag in here, and then it comes with all these screws and pieces. Let me put these out here on my counter. And it has this, I guess this is going to be the waterproof little seal for it. Then we will put this on there, so it'll be like that. And then it comes with these little mini screws and a screwdriver. Let's see, oh, it's not a magnetized screwdriver, so I got to get these screws in facing the right way. This is going to be a little difficult being that I have studio lights in my face, but the concept is good. Okay, so we got one screw in, two screws here. Okay. Three. And four. Okay, so now I'll have my AirTag device here, and then let's see where we want it. She wears it like this. I think this is her front. That's her neck. So I think I'll put it like right here. Put it right there. So it'll be that way. So, oh, actually, I don't think I can. I think I got to put it here on her belly. So it'll be on her belly. And then it's got these that'll go right there. And let me aim it in the middle. So it'll be like that around her leash. And then it comes with some bigger screws to put through for that. So let's see if we can push one of these through to start with. And then that'll go into there, I guess. Let's see. Is it going? I think it's going. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm screwing it into this. Actually, I'm going to screw in a second one here just to get it started so it'll work. So that'll go in there. And then into the little screw hole. Guess I lost my little place where it was going into, right there. So you can see it's not the simplest of things to put on, but at least once it's on, I think it's going to be, it's not going to come off, that's for sure. Okay, so there we got it started. And it looks like it's waterproof because it had that little gasket on there too, so that's nice. Okay, so that side's on. And now, okay, there we go. Now both sides are on. So now when she's wearing her little harness, she's going to have her little AirTag on there. So how cool is that? And it's cool. I mean, this is a big kind of apparatus, but AirTags are big, so it's going to do that. But she'll be able to wear this, and it just be hanging down on her belly, so who cares? But super cool, and I like this, so I'll be able to track my little doggy everywhere. So thumbs up for sure.